Good day everyone, I'm Mrs. Madonna D. Bustamante, your grade 7 mathematics teacher. Our lesson objective for today is to translate verbal phrase to mathematical phrase and vice versa. So in your English subject, you learn about phrases and sentences. So when we say phrase, it is a group of words that stands together as a single grammatical unit and do not contain subject and verb, while sentence is a group of words that is complete in meaning. So for today, the focus of our lesson is verbal phrases and mathematical phrases. Before we discuss our topic, you are going to answer first the learning task 1. So let us now discuss verbal phrases and mathematical phrases. So pag sinabi natin verbal phrases, katulad nga nung pinaliwanag natin kanina, so pag sinabi natin verbal phrases, nakasulat siya in words, mga salita. At kapag sinabi naman natin mathematical phrases, gumagamit naman tayo dito ng numbers, operational symbols, and letters. Okay? So, bakit ba natin kailangang pag-aralan ang verbal phrases and mathematical phrases? So, mathematical word problems cannot be solved unless you translate it into symbols. So, yun ang kahalagahan nito. Ano kung bakit natin kailangang pag-aralan ito? Para hindi tayo mahirapang mag-solve ng mga word problems natin. Symbols used for operations are called operational symbols. Ang example natin ng operational symbols ay halimbawa the plus sign, the minus sign, and etc. While symbols used to determine the relation between quantities are called relational symbols. So, ang example naman natin ng relational symbols ay the equal sign, the inequality symbol, halimbawa ay the less than, the greater than, so on and so forth. Okay. The focus of our lesson is the different operational symbols and the word associated to this symbol. So, in order for us to translate verbal phrases to mathematical phrases, kailangan alam natin yung mga words associated to the different operational symbols. Okay? So, let us discuss first the plus sign. Okay? So, kailan ba natin gagamitin yung plus sign as symbol? Or as operation, ano? So, the words associated with the plus sign is the plus, add, increase by, more than, sum of, greater than, added to. So, kapag na-encounter natin itong mga keywords na to, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin nating sign is the plus. Next, minus sign. And the words associated to minus sign, we have minus, subtract from, decrease by, diminish, difference, less than. So, itong mga words na to, ang gagamitan natin ay minus sign. Multiplication sign. Okay? So, meron tayong different sign sa multiplication. Ano? We have the x, the parentheses, and then the dot in the middle of the variable or the numbers. And the words associated with multiplication sign, we have multiply, multiplied by, the product of time, and the times. Ano? At kapag nakita natin na yung variable, halimbawa dalawang variable, magkatabi lang siya, o kaya naman ay number and variable, magkatabi lang. So, it indicates multiplication as operation. Next, division sign. So, meron tayong dalawa namang symbol dyan. Yung isa yung familiar tayo, and then yung isa naman ay yung bar. Okay? And the words associated to division sign, we have divide, quotient, and then ratio. Convolution, or the exponents. When we say exponent, it is the smaller number. Yung maliit na number na isinusulat sa kanang bahagi ng number or variable. At when we say exponents, it tells the number of times the base you are going to multiply it to itself. So, the words associated to exponent, that is raised to the power of, squared, and then cubed. Okay? Pag sinabi natin squared, you are going to multiply the base twice to itself. And then yung cube, 3 times mo naman i-multiply yung number sa kanyang, 3 times mo siyang i-multiply sa kanyang sarili. Next, evolution, or the radical sign. And the words associated with the radical sign, we have nth roots, where n is any positive integer. So, para lalo niyong maunawaan itong ating mga different operational symbols and the words associated to these different symbols, let us have the following example. Translate the following to mathematical symbols. Let us answer number 1. The difference of 8 and a number. So, to translate verbal phrase to mathematical phrase, So, titingnan natin dito yung mga keyword na ginamit. So, ang keyword na ginamit dito sa number 1 ay difference. So, yung diniscuss natin kanina, ang operational symbol dito na-involved dito is the minus sign. Okay? So, solution, let x be the number. So, we use x as a variable to represent the number. So, therefore, the mathematical phrase is 8 minus x. Since yung ang keyword natin dito ay difference. Kaya ang ginamit natin ay minus sign. Next, number 2. Thrice the sum of 5 and a number. So, parang medyo complicated ito ng konti kaysa dun sa number 1 example. Let n be the number. And then, unahin natin i-translate yung sum of 5 and a number. At ang keyword natin dito ay sum. So, ang operational symbol na involved dito ay the plus sign. So, that is 5 plus m. Next, dun sa ating given na verbal phrase, thrice the sum of 5 and a number, thrice means 3 times. Okay? And the mathematical phrase is 3 times quantity 5 plus n. So, this time, gumamit tayo ng grouping symbol para i-regroup natin yung 5 plus n. Kasi yung sum nila, i-multiply natin sa 3. Thrice the sum of 5 and a number. Next, number 3. 1/2 the square root of twice the square of a number. Yan, medyo mas complicated naman ito. Yan. Okay? So, solution. Let y be the number. Twice the square of a number. Ito muna yung ita-translate natin. Twice. So, ibig sabihin ay 2 times. Ano ang i-multiply natin? Sa 2. Square of a number. So, in mathematical phrase, that is 2y squared. Square root of 2y squared, that is square root of twice the square of a number. So, we are going to use the radical sign for the square root. Square root of 2y squared. And then, dun sa ating verbal phrase, we have 1 half. Ano? 1 half the square root of twice the square of a number. So, therefore, the mathematical phrase is the square root of 2y squared over 2. Okay. So, dun sa mga tinakal natin na mga keywords or the words associated to different operational symbol, meron ditong kailangan na mag-switch word in translating to mathematical phrases. Halimbawa nito yung more than, greater than, added to, less than, and subtract from. Ito yung mga verbal phrase that you have to switch word in translating to mathematical phrases. So, para mas lalo niyong maintindihan, let us have this example. 3 more than a number. Ano? Solution. Let P be the number. So, dun sa ating verbal phrase, 3 more than a number. So, yung keyword natin na more than, ang operational symbol na gagamitin natin dito ay the plus sign. So, pag ita-translate natin siya into mathematical phrase, 3 plus P. But then, katulad nga nung sinabi ko kanina, ang rule natin dito sa mga word na to, more than, less than, you are going to switch the word. So, you are going to switch a number, and then 3. So, ang mangyayari, P plus 3. Okay? So, the mathematical phrase is P plus 3. So, if you are going to translate 3 more than a number, the mathematical phrase is P plus 3. Next, a number less than 3. Ang keyword naman natin dito ay less than. So, you are going to use the minus sign. Solution, let's C be the number. And then, if you are going to translate the verbal phrase, a number less than 3, so that is C minus 3. But you have to switch 3 and a number. So, 3 minus C. So, therefore, the mathematical phrase is 3 minus C. So, kailangan mo lang tandaan yung mga verbal phrases o yung mga word na nagsiswitch. Okay. So, last example. Example number 6. Translate 2x minus 5 to verbal phrase. So, this time you are going to translate mathematical phrase to verbal phrase. Solution. 2 times, doon sa ating given na mathematical phrase, 2 times means twice a number. And then, yung operational symbol na ginamit dito ay minus sign. So, dun sa mga diniscuss natin kanina, with regards with the minus sign, pwede kayong mamili doon kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. So, there are many possible verbal phrases na para gamitin dito sa ating 2 times 2x minus 5. So, the first one is twice a number decreased by 5. And another one is subtract 5 from twice a number. Okay, so what I can do? So this time you are going to answer learning task 2, learning task 2A, and learning task 2B. And for the assessment, you are going to answer learning task. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you learned a lot. So let me have this before I go. Believe you can, and you're halfway there by Tudor Roosevelt. Thank you.